You see teacher screen now, Kong?
No.
No?
Okay. I'll just
Okay, so can you read the instruction over there, Kong?
listen to the teacher and write the names of the bats.
Okay, and write the names of the bats. Okay, so I'm gonna read it. So, Kong, I want you to write the bats' names in these boxes. This one here, Kong, in these boxes, okay?
Yes.
This one. At the bottom part, okay? So, in the first box, Kong, write the name Quick. You spell that Q-U-I-C-K. Did you write the first letter with the big Q?
Yes.
Okay. The first letter of a name is big, okay?
Yes.
Okay. In the next box, Kong, write the name Cloud. You spell that C-L-O-U-D. What's that name, Kong?
Cloud.
Cloud. Very good. Okay. In the box 3, write the name Dream. That's D-R-E-A-M. Those letters spell the name? Dream.
Okay, dream.
Dream. Okay, so next, Kong, put the letters T-E-E-T-H in box 4.
Sorry?
Yes. Okay. One more time. Put the letters T-E-E-T-H in box 4.
I can't hear.
You can't hear? Okay, one more time. Put the letters T-E-E-T-H in box 4.
Yes.
Yes, write teeth. That's teeth. Okay, so, and in the last box, Kong, the name is longer. It's sandwich. You spell that S-A-N-D-W-I-C-H. What did you write in the last box, Kong?
Sandwich.
Sandwich. Okay, very good. So, it's your turn, okay? Oh,
yes.
Wait. What's the name in the first box, Kong? It's
Quick.
How do you spell quick?
Q-U-I-C-K.
Okay, very good. It's quick. How about the second box?
Cloud.
Cloud. Okay, can you spell cloud for me?
C-L-O-I-D.
One more time. Oh, okay, wait. I'm gonna write it over here. It's C. What's next, Kong? C?
Is cloud.
Cloud. How do we spell cloud? C?
C-L-O-U-D.
Okay, very good. C-L-O-U-D. Okay, very good, Kong. Next is
Dream.
What's the third name, Kong?
Dream.
Dream. How do you spell dream?
D-R-E-A-M.
Very good. Dream. How about the fourth box, Kong?
Teeth.
What's teeth? Okay, how do we spell teeth?
T-E-E-T-H.
H. Okay, very good. How about the last name? Kong, how about the last name?
And the last name is Sandwich.
Sandwich. How do we spell sandwich?
S-A-N-D-W-I-C-H.
Okay, very good. Sandwich. Okay, very good, Kong. Then it says here, draw lines between the names and the bats. Okay, it says here, which bat do you think is quick? Cloud, dream, teeth, sandwich. So now let's draw lines. Oh, I'm sorry, Kong. I don't think there is lines over here because there is no, in this part over here, no lines. Okay, so let's just gonna proceed to our next. Let's just gonna proceed to our next activity, Kong, which is this one over here. So can you please read the instruction, Kong?
Read and then write the names of the people who live in each flat.
Okay, so it says you have to read and then write the names of the people who live in each flat. So before doing that, can you please read this one over here? Kong?
Mr. and Mrs. White live at the bottom of the stairs, below Mary Pink. Mr. White is a cook and likes cooking a lot at home too. They often invite friends to their flat and they have dinner parties. Anna and Bill Brown love reading quietly in their living room. They don't like living above Miss Green because she plays very loud music when she comes home after work. Miss Green lives opposite her friend Mary Pink. They are both learning to play the guitar and they make a lot of noise. Max Gray's flat is under Miss Green's. He doesn't have to drive to work because he works on his website at home, but he puts on his roller skates and skates around the park every morning. First, the newest person in this house is Julia Blue. She moved into the flat at the top of the stairs, 2 floors above Mr. and Mrs. White's apartment. She loves skateboarding and wants to be a pop star.
And wants to be a pop star. Oh, okay, very good, Kong. So now that you read this one over here, you have to write the names of the people who live in each flat. Okay, so Kong, where should we start? Kong? Where is Mr. and Mrs. White's apartment?
They live at the bottom of the stairs.
Okay, what bottom? There's 2 bottom over here. Can you describe the apartment?
It's the left.
It's the left. What's inside the apartment? What can we see inside the apartment?
We can see a Six rooms and
No. What I mean is inside Mr. and Mrs. White's, what they call this one? Apartment. What can you see inside Mr. and Mrs. White's apartment?
I see a bed, a bike, a computer, and
In Mr. and Mrs. White's apartment ko?
it's the right on the bottom.
It's
I
on
can see two chairs and two chairs, table, and a vase of flower.
Okay, so Mr. and Mrs. White apartment is this one over here, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's see if that's it. Oh, okay. So your answer is this one at the bottom. I'll just gonna write it first. So I'm gonna write your answer at the bottom, Mr. and Mrs. White. How about the next one, Kong? Where is, what do you call this one? Where is Anna and Bill Brown's apartment?
Is
Where is Anna and Bill Brown's apartment?
is
Where is it?
It's on the third floor.
On the third floor? Which one? There's two room over there.
Left.
Left, can you describe what inside their apartment?
I can see the lamps, two armchairs, and the bookshelf.
The bookshelves. Okay, very good. So that is Anna and Bill Brown's apartment. How about Julie Blue? I mean Mark Gray. Where is Mark Gray's apartment?
Is at the bottom. At the bottom of the stairs.
At the bottom of the stairs. What's inside Mark's apartment?
In the left.
In the left. So what's inside? Can you tell me what's inside Mark's apartment?
A bed. I can see a roller skate, a bike, a corridor, lamp,
okay.
and bed.
Okay, very good. So this one, Mark Gray. So I'm gonna put Mark Gray over here, okay? Okay. How about this room? Kong, whose room is this? This one? Whose room is this?
It's above Mr. and
Again, whose room is that? It's
Is Mr. and Mrs. White's apartment?
In this one already, this one is Mr. and Mrs. White's apartment, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So whose apartment is this one? Above Mr. and Mrs. White. It's
Mary Pink.
Mary Pink. Okay, let's gonna put Mary Pink. Okay, I'm gonna put Mary. Okay, I'll just gonna put Mary over here. And the next one, Kong. Where is Julie Blue's apartment? Julie Blue's apartment.
Signal.
There are 2 rooms left.
Yes.
Just tell me which floor, the 2nd floor or the 3rd floor?
The 2nd floor.
Is Julie Blue. Julie Blue.
Is at the top.
At the top, on the 3rd floor. Okay. That is Julie Blue's apartment. How about the last one? Whose apartment is this?
Is Miss Green.
It's Miss Green's apartment. Okay, very good, Kong. You got all the answers correct. Okay, so let us move to our next activity over here. This one. Rooms and what we do in them. Okay, number 1. Can you please read it, Kong?
People cook in this room and they sometimes eat there. Which room is this? Kitchen.
Okay, very good. So again, can you please read it again?
People cook in this room and they sometimes eat there. Which room is this? Kitchen.
A kitchen, okay. Where is your kitchen located, Kong? Is it in the 2nd floor or the 1st floor?
It's on the 1st floor.
1st floor, okay, very good. Next question, Kong. Can you please read it?
We have a shower and a wash, then dry our bodies here. Which room is this? A bathroom.
One more time. Which room is that? It's a
bathroom.
A bathroom. Okay, in a bathroom. So I'm gonna write bathroom over here. Bathroom. Okay, next is number 3.
People sit and watch TV in this room. What room is this? Living room.
It's a living room. Okay. Living room. How about number 4, Kong?
When you go into a home, this is often the first room you stand in. In which room is this?
Which room?
Bedroom.
Bedroom? No. It says here, when you go into a home, this is often the first room you stand in.
Living room.
A living room? No, not yet. You are not yet opening the door. You are not yet opening the door. So, it's not yet the living room. This is often the first room you stand in. This room, Kong, has 4 letters.
4 letters.
Yeah, 4 letters only.
Balcony.
No, balcony doesn't have 4 letters, Kong. Could be similar to balcony. Some call it balcony, but some call it this word. 4 letters only.
4 letters.
4 letters only, and the first letter is letter H.
H.
H. Yeah. One more time.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes.
Okay, so this one, Kong, is what we call a hall. This one, I'm gonna write it over here. A hall, Kong. This one. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yes, okay, let me show you. This is what we called a hall. This one outside. Kong. Can you see it? This one, Kong, outside. This one over here. Okay?
Yes.
Kong, okay, so that is what we called the hall. Okay, a hall, a hall. So Kong, since it's already time and we're also done, this is the last activity in this unit. So next meeting, Kong, which is on Monday, we're gonna have a fresh unit, okay?
Yes.
Okay, but I'm gonna send to you your homework tonight, okay? It's all about Unit 26. Okay, Kong?
Yes.
Okay, so do not forget to answer your homework, okay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, Kong, for listening to Teacher today. See you on Monday.
Bye-bye.
Okay, goodbye, Kong.